Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Shells and Picots Edging stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. Also, this pattern is great for any project that has a multiple of 8 plus 7 count. Also, if you need help with any of those stitches, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches and techniques. So to get started, I've just crocheted myself this cute little swash to represent the edge of a blanket or a scarf or whatever you want to add some edging to. So to get started for row 1, you're going to join at the beginning of your work and you're going to chain 3. Then you're going to double crochet into that same space that you joined the yarn, and then you'll double crochet in every single stitch until the very end of your work. Then you will turn. So we got row 1 done. Now turning our work, we are going to start on row 2. So row 2, we are going to chain 4 and we are going to skip the first stitch, and then we're going to go straight into the repeat, which is going to be double crocheting in the next 3 stitches, followed by chaining 1 and then skipping the next stitch. You'll repeat this all the way into the last 2 stitches, and the last 2 stitches will be 2 double crochets. So again, the repeat for this row is going to be double crocheting in 3 stitches, followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, and then you'll just do the repeat again. So 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1. 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1. And you'll do this all the way until the end, and then 2 double crochets in the last 2 stitches. All right, now that we're done with that, let's start on row 3, which is where all the magic happens. So for row 3, we are going to start off by chaining 3, and then we're going to skip 2 stitches. Then we'll go straight into the repeat. All of the following is going to be worked in the chain 1 space. So we're going to start off by working 3 double crochets into that chain 1 space, followed by chaining 6. Then we are going to work a slip stitch into the 5th chain from the hook, like so. Slip stitch there. Then we will chain 1 and we will work 3 more double crochets into that same space. Then you will chain 1. So you kind of see that little picket point right there. So chain 1, then you're going to skip 2 stitches, and then you're going to double crochet into the chain 1 space, followed by chaining 1. So again, the repeat is going to be working a 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space, the following chain 1 space, followed by chaining 6, slip stitching into the 5th chain from the hook. Then you will chain 1 and then work 3 more double crochets into that same space, followed by chaining 1, skipping 2 stitches, and working a double crochet into the chain 1 space from the row below, if I can even say it, followed by chaining 1. You'll repeat this all the way until your very last double crochet into the chain 1 space, and that one will just be a regular double crochet, and then it'll be fastened off. So we're finishing off right here. And then right here, we are just going to work a double crochet into that space right there. And there you have it. That is how you do the Shells and Picots stitch pattern or border. I like how this turns out. I think it looks really neat. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.